In the Gulf of Combat, there stands a temple that defies the ocean. Twice a day, the Arabian Sea rises to swallow it whole, only to recede and reveal it again. This is not just a quirk of nature. This is the Mahesagara Sangama. According to the ancient Kamarika Kunda, this is not just a temple, it is a crime scene, a victory monument, and a place of divine apology. Today, we open the files on the Stambheshwar Mahadev. To understand the temple, we must understand the villain. Tarakasura was not your typical demon. The script details how Tarakasura systematically dismantled the cosmic order. He didn't just fight, he humiliated the gods using their own weapons. He bound Varuna with his own noose and trampled the serpents. The gods were decimated. Vishnu himself had to intervene, inciting the young war god, Lord Kartikeya, to fight. But here lies the twist: Kumara refused. Why? Because Tarakasura was a devotee of his father, Shiva. Vishnu argues that protecting the righteous outweighs the sin of killing a devotee. As the sun set and the sky turned blood-red, Kumara finally took the vow. The battle ended not with a weapon, but with a loss of virtue. As Kumara raised his spear, a divine energy, Shakti, emerged from Tarakasura's head. She declared she could no longer dwell within him, as his merit was exhausted. This moment is critical. It implies that power without dharma is brittle. Once Shakti left, the invincible demon fell. The demon fell, but the war god did not celebrate. Kumara was consumed by the sin of killing a Shiva Bhakta. To wash away this guilt, he didn't build a palace. He installed lingas. Pratineshwara, where the vow was taken. Kapileshwara, where Shakti left the body. Kumarsha, where the demon fell. Stambheshwara, the pillar of victory. The Devas asked for a victory pillar, Stambha, but Kumara turned that pillar into a Linga, the Stambheshwar Mahadev, a monument to victory, but also a monument to penance. Today, at the Mahisagar Sangam, the ocean performs the Abhishekam, ritual bathing of the Lord twice a day. It is a reminder of the ancient war, the reluctance of a god, and the pillar that stands between the earth and the sea.